This is one of the most beautiful Next.js portfolio website on the internet. This website was carefully and expertly designed to work in all devices. And for sure, the website is live on the server, so you can quickly check it out, okay? The good news is this. The first 1,000 students to enroll is going to get the entire course and source code for free. Absolutely free for 1 month. And the link is right within the description. So, having said all this, I know you are quite happy right now. Let me quickly walk you around the website. Now here is the homepage, and we implemented the smooth scrolling effect. So when you smash on the portfolio button over here, it smooth scroll to the portfolio component. And here is it. All right, so within the portfolio component, you have all the major projects that you have worked on. So in my own case, I have worked on all of this project over here, so I decided to display them. Okay, so you would display the project that you have done over there. And another thing is that you can click to open up the project in a new page. So when you hover, the button appears, you click, and then it moves you into a new page. All right, can you see? All the projects that I have worked on, we have the description over here at the right-hand side of the screen, and all of the good things over here. So you can use this button to move to the previous project or to the next project. Let's quickly give it a try. Let's move to the next project, and boom, the next project included into your portfolio will be opened up. For me, I recommend you build this website as your portfolio. And when you're done building the website, you can use it to showcase your jobs to your clients. And you can actually go to the Hire Me page where you can send an email to the admin. Take a look. From here, you can actually email me. So the link of the website is within the description, so you can give it a try at your end. If you want to send an email, all you have to do is to include your name over here, your email, and then your phone number. The subject, for example, let's say I need a new coupon. So what is? And then I just have to copy and paste a message here. Okay. So hit on the send button and boom. And then you see this rolling effect over here that shows that it is loading. So when you observe the top right corner of the screen, you will see the toast message that says message successfully sent. Thank you for contacting Edubaba. Beautiful. This is absolutely fantastic using Next.js. And I know you would like to embark on this project. Of course, you can use it to showcase your project to your client, all right? So that's it. And then let's go back to the home page. Here at the home page, we have so many functionalities over here. So let's explore the About Me page. Can you see? So over here, we have some of the services that I render, okay? Front-end developer, back-end developer, and all of those things that you do. You will include them over here. And when you click on each and every button, the details of what you do will show up in this box over here. Take a look. When you click, and then when you click on the back-end, this is the third services that I render as a back-end developer. And then this one here as the fourth service that I render, and this one, the fifth, and this one, the sixth. The whole of the website was beautifully crafted. And you are getting it for free, absolutely. And here we have the testimonial section where you can actually slide through. All right. Okay, one thing I have to tell you is this. Please do not sign up the course using the sign up now button if you visit the website, because when you click on the sign up now, this will take you to Udemy platform. And when it takes you down there, you have to pay for the course. All right. So I have created a free link for you to learn on Skillshare for free, absolutely free for 1 month. So I want you to be the first 1,000 students that will get the course for free. All right. I talk too much really. Now, boom. Okay, let's check out the navigation. Take a look. Everything was well aligned, and look at, can you see? All of the stuffs over here. So in my own opinion, this is the best Next.js portfolio website out there for you to showcase your jobs to your client or your employer. And lest I forget, When you smash on the Get Resume button, you are going to download your CV. Take a look. I click and boom. And here is my CV. You can click to open. Do you see? So everything is included. This is a full package. I'm telling you, honestly speaking. The link to the website is there, and the link to get the course for absolutely free is right within the description. So I deeply advise you hurry up to be the first lucky 1,000 students to enroll this course for free. However, when you enroll the course, the source code will be given to you. What exactly are you waiting for? Join me and let's learn together.